Herbs are great to use when cooking. Today on Southern Gardening, we are going to select plants to create an Italian chef's herb combination container. Some herbs commonly used in Italian cooking are parsley, basil, and rosemary. Few herbs have such an easily identifiable flavor and aroma as basil. Believe it or not, basil is in the mint family. You will smell Crimson King before you see it. The huge, lightly cupped violet leaves release a spicy clove aroma, and it makes a great thriller plant. Fabulous for cooking in fresh dishes, Crimson King is a generous producer with good branching on plants that reach 18 inches high and about a foot wide. Huntington Carpet Rosemary is the thriller plant in the container. It forms a beautiful cascading dense blanket of green, gray-green needle-like leaves that are potently fragrant from afar and used as a culinary seasoning. Plain Italian parsley is used as the filler plant in this combination container and is a great cut and come again variety that you will appreciate all season long. The large, flat leaves mince easily and can be snipped in seconds. It is favored for its deep flavor, which some say hold up better in cooking than curly parsley. Choose herbs to create a combination planter that will provide fresh ingredients for your Italian dishes. I'm Eddie Smith, and I will see you next time on Southern Gardening.